I love it!
Dapat yung Robin, hindi ka Drake baby, kay Robin.
I love it!
Galingan mo ka.
Oh, yes!
Very sweet. There we go. Diba very hard for
Buhay, rocket lang. Tulog na may konting work.
Sleeping Beauty ka dyan.
Ay, ang pogi talaga.
Action, right?
Kami yung krr. Okay? Yay! Everyone's happy. I'm also happy. I'm also happy. Direct's very happy as well. Yes. Galing ni Direct mag-drive, oh. O, reverse lang, oh. Oh. Yes.
Okay na po yun, direct. Sige, sige po. Atras mo po. Bawi po.
Hi, Drake! Love mo ako? Pogi naman ni Amiel Sol. Charot. Amiel Sol. Ay. Wow. Wait. Wow. So nice. Bawal po magdala ng food sa loob.
Oo eh.
Bakit daw po?
Directed siya yata nung location. Hindi na alam.
That's so weird. Bawal food pero may dining area.
Oo.
Grabe, ngayon lang ako ulit nakaramdam ng ganito kagandang weather. Maaraw pero hindi mainit sa balat. Tapos narinig mo yung mga huni ng nature. Wala lang, saya.
Hopefully maging ganito siya all day.
Sana nga, sana good weather lang. Ang ganda, it's a perfect day. Yung freshly rained lang.
Oo. Malapit tayo sa Tagaytay kaya okay yung ano.
Kaya pala. Ganda ng place mo kasing cabin na modern.
Oo.
Madami lang langgam. Kanina pa ko linalapitan ng mga langgam.
Talaga ba?
Ginaganon ko sila,
Ay,
tapos
ano?
tumatakbo sila.
Okay, ready? Let's try rehearsal take tayo. Then, Lingon, Angela.
Push in slowly.
Yan. Abot yung mug sa kanya. Tigilan. Yan. Ganyan. Tapos parang inom tayo. Pero this time, dito na. Sorry, ano na to? Kuya Jerome? Kuya Jerome pa remove na ng side.
Ay, work siya. Work siya. Work nga siya.
And cut. Okay, good stuff.
Hey,
Kinilig ka?
so hot. Sobra.
Weh.
Kinilig ako
Eh,
sa'yo.
tumatawa siya, hindi siya kinilig.
Kilig ka yun, hindi tawa.
So,
Okay, dyan na muna. Okay, sige. Sorry po, nagsusukat lang si Direk. Baliw. Baliw.
kaya ako, parang ako sobrang luwag.
Uluwag.
So luwag.
No shoes. Selling feet pics.
Not feet pics. Yeah, I'm gonna charge 5K per photo.
Wow. Wow.
And go.
Go.
Ferrero? Ferrero.
One Ferrero and one ano please. Rock. Action, pasok.
Langasin yung mukha niya. It's a compliment, honestly.
I got banned.
Yeah, from doing live stream.
No, pero until 11:25.
PM. Okay. Do we look young as fuck, bro? How do they even know? Hello. Annyeong.
What's Bini po?
Daddy, what's Bini po?
It's Auntie Joanna. It's a gel group anak pala.
Take two. Daddy, what's Bini po?
It's a gel group anak. I used to listen and watch them a lot.
Ay, may dilagang maganda. Napakagandang dilag. Ay. Saya, parang field trip lang. Wala, ang saya-saya ko lang na may pangalan ako dyan. May food tayo. Oh my god, it's palabok and nuggets and sandwich.
Oh, at sa'yo naramdaman ang di ko kalain, ipaglalaban ko. Na 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 na. Okay po, sorry. Ipaglalaban ko. Ipaglalaban ko. Okay po. Sige po.
Pasakay please. Wow, ang init. Hindi ko kaya. Wag po kayo umalis. Sinusundan. Yay! Thank you po sa payong. Pasakay! It's so mababa.
And it's a Mustang.
Eh. This is how it feels like.
As a passenger
Uy,
seat
medyo
siya.
maluwag
Mag-hi ka,
pala.
mag-hi ka.
Four-seater pala siya. Hi! Magkano kaya yung Mustang, no? How much do you think? Uy! Ulo! Nakakatakot! Takot ako! Kainis oh.
This is mine now.
It's mine! It's mine! It's mine!
Swap nga tayo, pagbibigyan kita.
Ayoko! Kumarin mo na yun! Ulam!
Ito,
Help mo
papahiramin
ako.
ko sa'yo to ha.
Ayoko nga
Pagbibigyan
dyan.
kita, pwede mo hiramin. Sige.
Ayoko nga. Oh, I'm done hiding. Now I'm shining like I'm burning. extrovert, ito ang aking pangarap. Mag-shopping ng sarado pa. Walang ibang tao, ako lang. And I'm hiding, now I'm shining. Up, 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 up. Wow! Wow!
The version na yan.
Pag naglakad ko, parang lagi talagang susugod.
3,000 ako sa Giga. Huwag na magwalo. Oh, Muji!
Nais ko sanang Hello!
Hi.
Hello po, busy siya. Hi, Derek! Hi! Hello, Mama Den.
Alam mo, ayusin mo mo. Magmukhang bruhan na yan. Chick, atras. Baka pumasok. Okay, tama na. Yan, okay. Ready? Finish. Abutin mo siya na.
Chill with it, chill with it. Si Dilek lang. Si Dilek lang ulit. Eh! Ayan. Hello, guys.
Mas ano, landscape. Landscape mo.
Wait lang, tanong mo ulit kung ano mas maganda.
Ano ba yan?
Maganda. Ikdilan.
Ito nga.
Eh. Wala na kasi hindi mo.
Nakakainis. Charot. Yan, nabudol.
Eh, Magic Mike. Hello po. Hello po. Hi, Ate
video ba?
Bridge. Hi, Direk.
Hi.
Oh, ang cute ni Direk. Ito po yung pantry ni Direk.
Ang
Yun po yung
dumi-dumi.
sinasabi niyang inuubos ko. Umulan po kasi.
Asan yung mga-
May Arla pa.
Asan yung ayan?
May juice pa. Ayan yung hello na lagi kong inuubos.
May hello pa ako. Meron pa
May-
akong
Toasted bread.
Toasted bread.
Hindi magugutom si Direk.
Kalamansi sa SNR.
Wow.
Totoo siyang kalamansi.
Totoo.
Oo, tingnan mo. It's a real kalamansi. Sa SNR lang may ganyan. Kung ano konti.
Love it.
Sobrang asin. Hindi naman.
Gagalaw. Meron na kanina eh. Pag yuko mo.
Oh, oh my god, I look like a doll. Oh, that's cute.
Ganyan. Tapos, para i-contour ka na lang dito para maliit yung mukha.
Okay, there's more volume.
Yeah, big hair talaga. Kasi naman, yung extensions na yan.
Meron po silang extensions yung
Oo, pagdadaling ko.
medyo dark.
Pero
red
meron
yung
ka?
hair ko.
Meron ka rin,
Meron
diba?
po ako kasi black.
Bring mo na lang din.
Just in case, okay.
So, let me take a photo.
Pero parang ang ganda ng hair ko ng ganito lang. Tapos mahaba. Black.
So, baka mga ilaw. How do we turn on the other light?
I think this is everything. Look at the heels.
So, andyan na si Robin at Angela. Of course, our living Drake Palma and Al.
I love it. Kinikilig. Charot. Thank you po.
Yung nagustuhan ko ng first.
Thank you po. Ang ganda. Gusto ko po yung makeup. First scene together. Yes, sir. First scene na nagpansinan. Ano ba yun? Wow. So fresh naman. Sana all may tulog. May tulog ka? May tulog ka? Bakit ka? Dylan Wang plus Carlo Aquino equals Dylan Menor. Carlo Aquino plus Dylan Wang. Nagkaanak. Okay? Pero day 1 ni Shaira. Yes. Congrats, be. Finally, guys. Lapit mo na kayo. Sino kayo dyan ang sexy nyong girl? Kaya siya sexy. She's always working out. Kahit nasa set. Yan ang sikreto. Magsipag. Tsaka jeans na din. Maganda talaga siya.
Ay, nako, alis ka.
Kechu. Kay ka talaga.
Isa pa, wait lang.
Ang sweet naman na mag-jowang to. Pogi naman ni Emil Sol. Charot. Emil Sol. Hi guys, for today's video, mag-unboxing po ako ng mga gifts sa akin. And sorry, medyo makalat. I literally just got home and changed into PJs so that I could be more comfy. And I hope it doesn't bother you, the clutter. I'm just gonna go ahead and check on the gifts you guys gave me. Before I completely remove everything, after every event, lagi akong nag-unbox ng mga gifts. And actually, nakalimutan ko mag-film before I started. I already unboxed this one, this dress, and it literally smells so good. It smells so good. And it's from AES. I've read the letter na. Congratulations on SCP's pilot episode. Sobrang galing mo. Please wear this dress, especially during the future promotions. Regalo bilang pasasalamat. You inspired me so much. Cheers to success. I love you. Love, Ace. Stairgal. This is her. I hope you don't mind me reading that. Pero for longer notes like this, I won't read it out loud now because for privacy reasons, then we don't know if this is private or what. Oh. You guys are sweet. This came in this envelope. It's so cute. Look at that. And then, ang cute lang kasi look at this heart. There's a lot of me in it. And then there's this rosary with pearls. It's so cute. I hope no one is gonna watch this. I'm just gonna post it in my little dump, TikTok dump. Okay, this one is from Jimel and 16. Is the 16 age? You know, Alice was supposed to be 16 here or 17. Sorry guys kung maingay sa labas. It's because I live near the road. So, siya. Maingay talaga. Oh, I love it. It's literally a printed letter. She gave this gift. It's from Marilao, Bulacan. Oh, yes, I am Roman Catholic. Thank you, Ate James. I've read your letter. Next, this one. Cute. I think it's me. It's my backpack. Ang cute ng stickers. Pwede ba tanggalin ko yung sticker? Sisira sa... Okay, this one. Bukayo Saka. Thank you guys for making me feel seen. I feel like you guys really understand me the most. Thank you, Bia. I read your letter. Ito stickers na ginamit ko. Are you guys siblings? Kasi maling same kayo ng envelopes. Nagkakaling. Just putting it back to the envelopes. There you go. Okay. So that is it for this paper bag. Here we have another one. To Angela, we are so proud of you. Keep on shining from Nikki Daisuke. Oh, look at this, guys. It's a fuzzy wire flower. This is so amazing. How do you guys make these? I don't have the patience to do that. Thank you. It doesn't smell like anything. And then it has a bow. I feel like I'm gonna be able to wear this with... Oh, actually, it matches this dress. What if I wear them together? Ang ganda ng taste nyo sa fashion, guys. Grabe. And it comes with snacks. What are these snacks? They're little sandwich biscuit left with almost. Oh, Mars! These are my favorite. I'm gonna snack on these while I'm opening. For snacks like this, I always put them aside. But in the little pantry, I have a pantry here in the room. That's why I'm getting really thick. You guys are feeding me so much. And for these little bags, I also keep these. I don't throw them away. Oh, this one. I already opened this one. I was excited to see or build it, but they're like, we're going on stage in a few minutes. You can't build it right now. Sorry. Okay. And here's another one. Okay. This one is a bigger one. Ooh, I love that. Okay. I'm gonna find time to build this, but probably not right now. It's not a good idea. I have rehearsal so early in the morning. Okay. There's a Minnesota tag in here. Muji, salamat. You did really great. Thank you. But wala kang pangalan. I want to know who you are. Let's see. I always try to be careful while opening these stickers. Oh, it's so cute! Okay. Sleep mask. One foods. I'm gonna use this when I travel. Thank you so much for this. Kahit wala kang pangalan. Thank you. Okay. Next is this one. I don't need to unbox this. This was just handed to me while I was walking. Puntang CR. Also, somebody told me na, okay ba yung ID or something like that? Tapos parang sabi ko, I haven't seen it. Pero habang naglalakad ako kasi, syempre ang daming tao, tapos natatadran ako. Tapos, I actually have seen it. And pagkabalik namin sa CR, hindi na ako nakapagsabi ng, oh yeah, I like it. Pero if you're watching this video, yes, I like the ID. The big one, with the Alice Idol Bed, I like it. Thank you for that. And sorry kung ang lutang ko, ang dami kasing tao. Next. Tan! Dayan Katangay. From Dayan Katangay. Okay lang ba, i-rip ko na siya kasi, naka-tape. And sorry, i-rip ko na. So many stuff in here! Ah, it's a letter! Isang mahigpit na capsule. Tip niyo guys. New fan ako and lagi ako nandito sa video. Thank you, Dayan! I hope I'm saying your name right, Miss Dayan. I'm keeping my letters. Bibili akong malaking box, tapos doon ko ipag-compile lahat ng letters. Pero right now, nasa naka-paper bag lang. Pero once I have the time, I will go ahead and just, oh, I know this. This is from Papa Malrati. Ito yung mga quotes. If you want to be happy, yan. I like this. I'll read this when I'm feeling a bit down and depressed. Oh, grabe guys, saan ba ito nakukuha? Ang dami ko lang ganito. Parang I could have a literal garden from all of these flowers alone. And you guys are so creative. Parang nagagawa. Galing. Thank you. Ayan. And then, ooh, there's a little, here. Oh, direct adult notebooks. It's cute. So, a notepad. I can use this for school. Pag I need to jot down notes. And for this, I love the color pink, so this is perfect. Literally color pink yung kwarto ko, if you can see. And it's pink. There you go. Sorry, yung kala ko kwarto ko. Don't look. Don't look. Okay. Thank you again, Ate Dayan Katangay. I'm still gonna keep this kahit sira siya. Next is this big one. To Angela, congrats sa SDP. Love you from Ate Sa. Vince ni Robin. Wow, body part ni Robin. Gusto. Oh my god, how do you know I love these? Thank you, Ate Sa. Favorite ko to. Hindi favorite ko siya kasi yun ang laging nasa It's house naked. Ano kung may kain. This is so cute. Ang dami ko ng plushies. They're so soft. They're so soft. Ang soft niya! I don't know what to name this one, pero since may cupcake siya, color pink siya, it reminds me of Sugar. So, ang name niya ay Sugar. Hi, Sugar, my little penguin. Go to your, thank you, Ate Sa, for these. I love that. I'm gonna eat this right now. Actually, ako na ito nakainin itong Mars. Natatakaw na ako. So, it's laying around. Next, we have this from Alexandra August. Ang ganda yung Alexandra niya. It's I, it's not E. Nothing wrong with the E, it's just unique. Letter! Where do you guys get these stickers? They're so cute. They're like chibi characters. Oh, the same paper from earlier. Glossy paper. Nilin niyo, magkakapatid ba kayong lahat? Send kayo ng print. Thank you. I know, I always call on God first too. Thank you! Ba't walang pangalan? Ay, Alexandra. Thank you for this beautiful and mabangong letter. I'm full of my face. Thank you for this letter. Kaya gusto ko magbasa ng letters after work. Kasi, parang napapawi na yung pagod. Kapag pagod kasi, hindi nakapagod yung performance and yung meet and greet, nakapagod yung biyahe. So, kapag nagbabasa ako ng letters or nag-open ako ng gifts bago ako mag-unready or natulog, nakakagaan siya ng pakiramdam and it reminds me na, hey, I'm doing the right thing and people are out there and they appreciate you for what you do, so just keep going. Something like that. Yeah. What are these? Oh, is it a tank top? Oh my gosh, okay. You got my size correctly, girl. Thank you. I mean, yung S naman okay din sa akin pero may wrinkle siya, so XS is perfect. Thank you. I'm gonna wear this. Papalaban ko muna kasi lahat ng bagong biling damit pinapalaban ko muna. Dati hindi ko nagawa. I think adulting yun. Yung sense na kailangan ng laban. Kasi syempre sinukat ng ibang tao bagong bilhin. Oh, what is this? Ay! sapatos ko pag ko siya. Sorry, minsan kasi pag nagmamadali ako, tinatamad ako mag-impake sila. So, wala ako. Sapatos ko papunta. Ang aking lashes, di tayo sponsor. Ang aking pang shimmer, ang aking salamin, ang aking digicam na hindi ko gamit. Akala ko regalo. Gamit pala ko. Oh. Ayun ka dito. Ta-da! There's another bag. Goodies. Oh, what's this? Angela Muji, since you're currently an AB student in UST, hehe. Anyway, good luck sa studies. Keep up with the work. I saw an next study. Have good grade. I hope you like the pink cat ears being the yellows and flower headband. Ate Matt. Ate Matt. Ate Matt, thank you. Actually, I love cats, so this is perfect. It's so cute! Oh my god! I love it. Pag nag-Baguio ako, I'm definitely gonna wear this. It's so cute. It's so Alice coded. Dadalhin ko rin ito sa maleta ko just in case kailangan ni Alice ng cat ears. Thank you so much for this. Did you make this? Ang tali diba? Tapos pag inamoy ko siya, ilaban ko muna siya, syempre. And then, there's also this sunflower headband. Okay. I'll keep this here. There's also a sunflower headband. It's so pretty! Perfect to pang summer. Alam mo yung naka-ano ka sundress ka. Tapos like, kahit ang ulan na. Next summer, I'm gonna wear this. This looks so pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate Matt. Mate? Ito ba? There's vlogs here. Oh my god. It's literally those... I'm getting goosebumps. It's literally those pill messages that you read when you're something. Oh, I know that it takes so long to write these, and I'm so glad you took the time to write. Don't mind them, Ami. We're here to support you, Angela. So proud of you. Daisuki. I think mauubos yung memory ko kapag basahin ko ito lahat. I'm gonna read this off cam. Oh my gosh, ang hirap niya ibalik. Wait lang. Alam ko na. Kapag nabasa ko na, hindi ko na siya ibabalik. I-ano ko na. Hindi ko nalalagay yung gold na ring. Kasi yung gold na ring yung palatandaan ko. Ayan. Ito, itong capsule. This capsule, my gold na ring. Hindi ko pabasa. Ay! Kasi ito, wala. So, hindi na babasahin natin. Pero may palatandaan ako. I'm gonna read this. This is so sweet, guys. Nagpa-fairy lights pa. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda, guys. Ang effort naman. I-off ko yung fairy lights para hindi sayang yung battery. Yan. Off muna ito. I'm gonna read this and I'm feeling down. For everyone who wrote in this pill, bottle, thank you so much. I'm gonna read it. Don't worry. And trust me, when y'all overthink, when I need this, I'm gonna read it. And this is the box it came in. So nice. Thank you po. Sa palo! Favorite ko na! Favorite ko to. Thank you. Wait lang, gusto ko itong Mars pa kalang ganun. Alam niyo ba kanina, nag-travel ako from Laguna to my house. Yung jacket, yung ginawa ko. Magagayos yung favorite ko ito. Saan na? Ala! Saan napunta? Nakalagay Drakey. Okay, ang slow niya. Ibig sabihin pala, di ba Meiji? Ay, Choco Baby. Pinalitan Drakey Baby. Ang witty na talaga doon. Di ba? Very Alice of you. Yeah. Very Alice of you, Angela. Medyo slow. Pero Drakey Baby. Favorite ko to. Favorite ko si Drakey Baby. And also this. Ang galing na naman. Kaya nawalaan mga favorite ko. Favorite ko rin to. Another fact. Oh, bag ko to ha. Favorite ko yan. Sorry. Next. I think this is the last entire bag. Okay. Ooh, something from Bench. Gel from Angel. Yan to. Ito, hindi ko ito tapon. Oh, wow, it's a tank top. Ang galing. Ang galing nyo. Magagamit ko to. Ang galing nyo talaga. Ang galing nyo. I love it. Ang galing nyo talaga. Magagamit ko to as Alice and as Angela kasi isa lang naman. Oh, Angel. Thank you so much, Angel. I love this. Ang cute, guys. Made with love. From Julie. For your eyes only. Ah, okay. Hindi ko siya babasahin out loud. Don't worry, Shuvi. I'm just gonna read it here. Ganda ng penmanship mo naman, me. Grabe naman. Always present. And tama ka. Tama ka naman, Julie. Tama ka. So, syempre, tao lang din tayo. Minsan apektuhan. Pero nagigets ko talaga sentiments. And thank you so much for being present in advanced training. And dito sa Laguna, grabe ha, layo. Thank you for coming, Julie. And I read your letter. I really appreciate it. Wonderful blessings, beautiful dreams. Kung pangalan. Oh, it's another one of those, boxes from Papel Melroti. Alam niyo guys, favorite ko, bumili ng, parang, Parang kay Robin ata to. May rosary. So, ibigay ko na lang sa kanya. Naligaw guys. Sorry! Hindi may iwasan kasi syempre nagmamadali yung mga nagmamanage kung saan nila nailalagay. Pero this one, babalik ko po kay Robin. Huwag po kayo maglala. Dito po yan. Okay. Oh, nag-tissue ng Poco. Ba, parang si Robin ata to. Oo, parang kay Robin na ata to. Ayan, mga letter. So, ibigay ko to kay Robin guys. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Mga karating. Nakikita naman kami. Bukas. Ayan. Nakuha ko na. And ito, nabasa ko na rin kanina. So, keep it here. Thank you so much sa mga nagbigay ng gifts na yun. And then, next. Oh, it's so cute! And pink and black. Good luck. Love is a light that never flames. So, choka dyan, sis. KKV! Hand lotion. Rose and geranium. Okay, moisturizing cooling. Ay, cooling siya. Perfect to kapag nagka-taping. Ang Ginit! Oh, wow. Hand smoothie. Geranium, orange, rose, linden. I'm gonna try this out. Gusto ko yung na-excite ako. Ay, naka-ano pa siya. Sige, decide mo yung letter. Angela Muji, congratulations, very handsome. Love Siege. Capture it, remember it, be fearless, our angel. Thank you, Siege. Okay. Thank you, Siege. Oh, what's this? Keep balm and carry on. Lip balm, you're the pina to my colada. This is, Angela, to keep your sexy lips. It's so funny! Angela, to keep your sexy lips moisturized. You're so silly, Siege. And, yung pangalan ng kuya ko. Kasi may kuya, his name is Christian Joshua. And Siege! CJ. Let's try this. Oh, how do I get it? Ano siya? You just dip your fingers in there. Wala ko ito pa siyang spatula. Try natin. Oh. It doesn't have a scent. Or faint lang. Hindi ko masyado mamay yung scent. Pero it's so moisturizing. Oops! Sorry. Ayan, it's so cute. You can use that. You put it in my leg. And then this one. Let's open it. Hala. Yan. Okay na. Okay naman. Okay. Tadang. Oh, ang lamig. Parang siyang ano. Oh. Oh. Oh, grabe. Parang siyang water. Okay. I think I need to wipe it off. It's too wet. But it smells good. Yeah. It's too wet. But I love it. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay. Next. Next. Oh, this is Angela. You shine so bright. Thank you. I love you. This is from Jessa. I love that it comes in a red flag bag. Ano ganito? Parang may ng makeup. Okay. Letter. Oh, cute. Meron siyang seal. Wax na seal. Oh, it's a real wax sticker. That's true. Thank you, Jessa. That's me so much too. Mataas pala yung buko. Ba't ganun sa likod? Oh! This is scented candle. Oh, actually, I really always wanted to try. Oh, wow, that's heavenly. This is champagne toast. I'm gonna light this up tonight. Kaso wala akong sa kalan. Pero yung technique na buksan yung kalan, kukuha kayo ng papelos. Ganun. So wala akong lighter. Wala rin akong... Oh my! Oh! New and happy, thankful, angry. I love this. I love it. You guys know me so well. I am thankful. So like, I'm gonna get one right now. Oh, give thanks to the Lord, for He is good, for His steadfast love endures forever. Psalm 107, chapter 107, verse 1. Yes, I'm definitely gonna keep this near the altar sa baba. Or in my personal drawer. I'm still gonna decide what to do with these things after. Tadang! Thank you, Tessa. Thank you for your letter. Ito na! It's the last baby. Okay, to Angela. I love that it comes in a real sobre. Wait lang. Agoy. Excited siya mag-isa. Wait lang. Wait lang, ate ko. Bakit question mark yung we love you, ate? Tanong siya, big joke. Alam ko ano yan. Emoji yan. Love, Charlene, Andrea Fabi Santos. Thank you, Charlene, Andrea Fabi Santos. What? Ano ito? Ang bango talaga niya. maano siya sa ano ko, ilong ko. Where did you guys buy this? White corn. I'm not familiar. Ang bango. Grabe. Kasi mas masol sa palong ay buko. Feel ko din. Nakakainis! Nakakainis, guys. Ang cute nyo talaga. Cute nyo talaga. Ako sa inyo. Ang sweet nyo. Tapos meron yung espasol. Favorite ko talaga to. The Snicker bars, hello? You guys are trying to make me thick. Oh my gosh. That's not the M&M's! Pero ang highlight, buka! Lettuce, buko pa. Keep frozen. Oh no. Hi Angela, ito ng request mo. Galingan mo po. I love you. We love ni Robin. Love ni Robin. Yes, love din kita. Dapat love ni Robin and Angela na yun. Buhay pa siya. Thank gosh. Minor injuries. Lagay ko na sa ref. I need She-Ra. Kaya ko na bukas. Lalapangin for breakfast. Yan guys, thank you so much. I had so much fun unboxing. And sakto, 30 minutes na pala ako nag-unbox dito. Grabe, time flies so fast when you're having fun. I would just like to thank everyone who, went out of their way to get me something or write me a letter. I really do appreciate you guys. And I'm sorry if hindi ko na video yung iba. Pero I really do take my time to unbox everything, unwrap it, read all your letters. I just want you to know na sa inyo ako humuhugot ng lakas ng loob. And you don't have to buy me or gift me anything. Basta po, you just show up and you cheer me on. It makes me feel like may kwenta tong ginagawa ko na parang, I should keep going. Yun nga, like I said earlier. I don't know what to say. I'm just thankful that I have you guys. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Hi guys, I just got home from taping and look at these stuff. These are the stuffs that I got from last night and I literally just got home. Okay. First of all is this cute little Robin keychain. I was really confused about this because she handed one with Angela to Robin and she handed this to me. So I thought maybe it's on purpose para ano kami, like, matchy. That's cute. I'll open this one first because it has a very cute ribbon. I'm gonna keep this. This is so cute. Maraming salamat. Ramen ba to? Ramen. Charot. I hope you like the tulips bouquet and the mini Alice doll. Enjoy small treats na kasama ng box. We love you. Charmaine, Angelo, Mary, Charmiel, Anongo family of Batangas. You guys are from Batangas. Oh my gosh. Ang layo pa ng biyahe nyo. Thank you so much. I haven't seen the... Oh wait, I have. Yung tulip po ba is yung crochet? So pretty. Thank you po for the tulip bouquet. So I don't see yung tulips aside from that. Yung may lollipops. I actually removed the lollipops. Ito yung lollipops ko kasi kapag mayroong bouquet na regalo sa akin, pinipicturean ko siya sabay diretso alay na sa altar. If you don't know, guys, I'm a Catholic. I'm a Roman Catholic and we have this Mama Mary sa bahay namin and I really love that Mama Mary since I was a baby. They really cute. These are so cute. Thank you for these. Thank you for your letters. For the three of you. Ang haba pa ng biyahe ni Kapit. I'm pretty sure you guys are already home. But grabe. Late na nga natapos. It's... Hold on. This is so stinky cute. Is this me? Is this with the bags and the baby? Is this me? Oh my gosh. Even the skirt and everything. Oh, that's weird. Why did I look under her skirt? I love her. She's so cute. She's so cute. Okay. This is from Skynot. Meron siyang... Hi, RL. Sorry, guys. Thank you po. I don't know why I read this like 3 times, yung end part. Thank you po. I'm gonna cover the letter. I'm gonna show you the cutest family picture. Thank you so much po, Charmaine, Angela, and Baby Nell. So cute. I love you guys. You're so sweet. Ready? Ah! Sisipon ako. Alam niyo ba kayo na first poem namin? Iyak ako. The second pong iyak ulit. Third pong iyak ulit. Fourth pong iyak ulit. Yan, medyo ano pa ako. Medyo madalis pa ako maiyak right now. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, diba? Nasa, uy! Uy! 150! Grabe. Manifesting magka 150. Charot. Thank you so much for the snacks and the cute little... This is me as Rocky! And then this is me as me. The first small show namin. A lot of people kind of make fun of me for my outfit, but you guys, I can't wait to put this on my fridge. Thank you po. And this as well. Oh, meron pa. Wait. There's more money here. 31,000. 31,000 piso. 31,000 piso. Ah! So cute. 150,000 piso. Robin Pastela. Bakit kaya? Iisipin ko pa, bakit kaya? Bakit yan? Bakit ganun? Ano yun? Thank you for the choco wafers, the snacks, and the cute little doll. I love the doll. Tapos meron pala ditong photo cards na custom. Oh my gosh, this, meron bang QR code? Ito yung poster namin, official poster. And then, this is me, the MediaCon. Cute talaga, laki ng mukha ko. Mukha talaga akong, ano yun? Bobblehead. Oh my god, us ni Rab Rab. Oh, for small show. Thank you so much, you guys are so sweet. If you hope you guys are happy and healthy and safe. Malayo niyo po tayo from the past. I'm just gonna put this aside. So cute. Here. Next, we have this brown paper bag. I'm gonna open it. Oh, comes in my black bag. It says Force Plus. It has a letter. Is that C or G? I guess depends on the way you look at it. This one looks C. Alam niyo ba nickname ko sa ninang ko, best friend ng mama ko, is CC. So last share ko na. Let's open what this is. I don't know what it. Oh, it's like a traveling kit. Okay. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so now you have Force. I'm not familiar, but meron siyang ganito. And it's a sewing kit. And this is absolutely a necessity for me. Kasi lagi po akong bumabiyahe. So meron siyang scrunchies. And then there's this mirror. Oh wow, ang cute ng mirror guys. Kasi na-adjust siya. Okay. May mirror siya. Tapos meron siyang tiny clips. These are so cute. And then I'm obsessed with these. I really love these. Pastel inhalers. Right now I need it. So dyan lang muna siya. And kakaiba yung amoy niya. Hindi siya amoy yung Vicks. Iba yung amoy niya. And then I also always buy these. So walang note. And I'm actually, wala siyang note. I don't know if you bought this like this or you really prepared it yourself, but wow. Thank you for the effort and you really do know what I need. Because I always need this. I'm always sewing my clothes or adjusting. Thank you po. Grabe guys, you're so thoughtful. I'm gonna put this in my bag. Hindi siya mawala. And I can also put some personal hygiene stuff here like napkins and medicine. Din. Ang cute niya. Travel friendly. Thank you. This may sipa. For CC. Ang alam nito is it's small. Mas gusto ko yung Vicks. Kasi it stays in my nose like this. Pero I'm not choosy ha. I like the scent better. Kasi hindi siya ganun katapang. Tapos, ang cute pa ng packaging niya. Kasi yung dami kong binili ganito. Nakasabit siya sa, ko dati. Sa ID Lace ng school. Ang bilis ko talaga mag-block. Oh my gosh, what's this? This is the bag. It came with this sticker again. And it's puro blue. Natatakot tuloy ako. Giveaway ba to? Oh my. It is. For Justin, for Rafa, for Amnel Sol, for... It's okay. Wait. Bakit ako nakauwi nito? Tell me why. Okay, so, there's for, okay, I'll just gonna look for mine. For Rafa, for Sarah. Ang cute ng sticker. Oh, ito. Ma-share ko lang. For Ashton. Ipapamigay ko to guys. Don't worry, babalik ko to sa kanila. And yung last time na naligaw sa akin kay, Grabe, nabalik ko na sa kanya. Oh my God, Charles. Andito rin yung gat. Andito rin sila Robin nila. I'm gonna cry. Ang dami nila. Okay, I'm gonna find a way to give it back to them. Ito for Kicha. From, okay, they have names. Ashton. Oh, this is mine. Okay. And then, I'm gonna put these back safely in their paper bag. And I'm gonna put it away. Oh, can't even hate this second. I mean, why did the people think this was for me? It doesn't even have a name. Okay, this is for Angela. I love it when people do that. Like, I'm also the type of person to do this. When I give a gift, gusto ko lahat meron, or a letter, gusto ko lahat meron. I don't want anyone being left out. Like, basta, I appreciate you for preparing everyone something. Thank you po. You're so nice. Thank you, Keisha. You're so sweet. Aww, ang cute ng letter niya, guys. It's so, it's so straight to my feels. I really like it. Thank you po. Guys, your letters talaga. I love them so much. And ang cute ng bubble wrap. Look at the bubble wrap. Heart. Alam niyo guys, nahilig ako mag-pop ng bubble wrap ng bata ako. Ito yung kasiyahan ko. Wait. Thank you, Keisha. I think it's a mirror. Yes, it is. I'm gonna put this in my key kit or my makeup kit. Say hi to my phone. It's on the floor. Thank you, Keisha. I'm gonna pop this later. To relax myself. Oh my gosh, ito nakita ko to from the stage. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Live pillow. Hello, I am Tita ni Yuri. Yun yung Rab. Hello po, Tita ni Yuri. Thank you po. Ang cute. Okay. May dalawang alis na ako. It's so creepy. Grabe naman. Yung ulo ko dito, mas maliit pa sa ulo ko yung milip. Nakalaki yung mukha ko. Pero hindi, guys. Ang cute niya. I really like it. I feel like Aya right now. Kasi si Aya mahilig siya sa mga voodoo dolls. And the body kind of reminds me of a voodoo doll. But it's just so stinking cute. I'm gonna kiss myself into pity. Hello, my little Alice, and you're gonna kiss. That's weird. Why did you do that? Okay, I love these dolls. I'm gonna put them on my bed. Kasi ang dami ng stuff toy sa bed ko. Wala na akong space na tutulugan. Katabi ko lahat. Kailangan ko magbawas. Have to pick my favorites. So far, ang nasa kama ko ngayon, hindi ba kasi nasa labahan. So far, ang nasa kama ko ngayon si Sugar. Pati yung si yung galing sa Enchanted Kingdom. These two. Okay. I have a story. I think ilang beses na ako nakabalik sa EK. Kasi malayo siya. Pero doon ako nag-celebrate ng 7th birthday ko with my family. Tapos, I really wanted one of these. As a kid, enticing siya. Pag nakita mo yung ganito ka-colorful, ganito ka-glittery na stuff chuchu. Meron pa sila yung parang tao version. I would ask my mom, Mama, bilang mo ko niyan, Mama, please. Angela, wala tayong pambili niyan. Huwag na yan. Mabasikip lang yan, hindi mo gamitin yan. Alam mo yung the normal things a mother would say to her child because ayaw niya, or hindi nila kaya at the moment. And I always feel bad kasi ilang balik na kami, nag-field trip na kami doon. Nag-birthday na ako doon. Actually, mga 4 times or 3 times, ganyan. Parang 2 field trip. Grade 2, tapos 7th birthday ko, tapos pangatlo is grade 10? Oh, grade 10. Pero I'm talking about nung 7th birthday ko. Tapos, sad ako, syempre. So, nasa labas kami. Tapos, mayroong mga cart doon. Tapos, mayroong disc. Yung parang disc na naiikot-ikot. Tapos, iba-ibang beads yung nandun. Tapos, sabi ko, Mom, pwedeng kahit yun na lang. Tapos, sabi niya, anak, sige, ask mo how much. 50 pesos. Oh, 50 pesos lang. Tingnan natin. Bilhin niya. Tapos, yung bilog-bilog na yun, it's just clutter. Pero ang tagal ko siyang ma-let go. Until eventually we had to because ang dami ng kalat sa room. Tapos, wala lang. I'm just happy na little Angela gets to hug the stuff that she's always wanted as a kid. I don't know kung may design na ganito noon. Pero uso na talaga yung ganitong batik-batik color nila, yung tie-dye nila noon. Ayun lang, share ko lang. So, ito, si Sugar and si wala siyang name. Si ano lang siya, si Mr. Magic for now. Mr. Magic and Sugar, wala pa siyang official name. Tentative lang yung Mr. Magic niya. I really love the glasses here. So cute. Okay. So, itatabi ko na sila. Hindi ko na ito lalabahan. Mukhang ano naman. Mukhang ano lang siya. Lysol na lang. Okay na sila sa bed. Kasi guys, hindi natin alam kasi naggaling yung mga plush before we buy them. So, same as clothes, I recommend washing them before putting them on your bed. So, if you're like me, I like to sleep without clothes on. So, I like even if may visita, I wouldn't let them sit on my bed. Papalitin ko sila ng pangbahay ko na bago. Oh, don't sit on my bed with your outside clothes, please. Parang ganun. It's so weird, I'm sorry. Pero, next is this pink one. Ang cute. The Angela Muji from Hael. Sando ni Robin. Cute. Fine. Parang nagtatampo siya. Fine. Relate ako dyan, Bunny. Lagi akong nagtatampo. Charot. May malaki. Oh, it's Angela. Alam niyo, kailangan ko ng ganito kasi ang dami kong abubot. Kailangan ko ng mga pouch talaga. So, thank you guys. You guys know me so well. How do you do that? She gave me this. It's Kuromi! She gave me a Kuromi pen. It's cute. And then this tiger notebook. It's a bit crumpled, but it's okay. It's cute. I like it. I can write letters with the or pen out and write a letter or note. And then there's a letter. Cute ang envelope niya. The envelope's so cute. Hello. Thank you, San Chantal. Cup of Chantal. So cute. Cute na mga papers na gamit nyo, guys. Thank you guys for your support. It really means a lot to me. Okay, letters. Iko-compile ko na yung letters. Kaya hindi naman. Letters here. Letters. Tapos the snacks. Kaya hindi lang gamin. Ayan. Oh. Diba? Masaya. Masort na siya. Okay. Okay, there's more snacks. Okay, ganito pala tapos yung pouch. It also came with stickers. Ooh. Stardew Valley? I love Stardew Valley. I play it all the time before. Marami akong time na yun. But these are like, pag binili mo yung parang hot or na-avail mo siya from the Wizard's Place, they do your crops like this. How do you know I love... You guys are magicians. How do you know I love Stardew Valley? That's so... Wait, I'm kind of creeped out. But that's so cool. You guys are so amazing. Okay. I love this. I'm such a snacker. Ang dami ko nang kakainin sa set. Hindi ko naubusin yung kay Direk. Charot. Marco Pala! Thank you. Actually, nagdadala din si Direk ng champalok. Yung candy, yung frutas na parang champalok. Nakakailan ako. Ay, naku, kailangan kong pigilan sa sarili ko kasi baka mag-diabetes ako. Diabetes. Look at Cinnamoroll! A lucky charm na Cinnamoroll! Alam niyo yung manekineko? Manekineko yung mga ganun. Parang ganun siya, pero hindi ko alam kung anong style tawag dito. Parang may lucky charm. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Thank you, Hael! Sando ni Robin. Top toy. I love Cinnamoroll so much. I swear, I love Cinnamoroll so much. I'm literally sleeping next to Cinnamoroll in a... Yung Cinnamoroll ko at meron pa siyang ganito. I really... Wala na, share ko lang. I love Cinnamoroll so much. So, saan ko ito ilagay sa taas lang ng computer ko siguro. Thank you for this. It's so pretty. Okay. And then... It's a boba tea! Oh. Okay naman. I think this one I have to laba. The one reason why I always make labada stuffed toys then is because I have allergic rhinitis. So, I usually go for yung fabrics na ganito kasi they don't hold as much dust. And tabi nga lang kasi ng room ko yung road. So, grabe yung dust dito kahit meron akong air purifier. The dust accumulates so fast. So, I can't have too many furry or like, basta furry texture that can hold dust kasi doon ako allergic. Also, the same reason why I'm always using an inhaler like this and I'm always losing them. I really need one na like lanyard na I need to do that. Pero again, thank you so much for this. Lalagyan ko muna siya kasi feeling ko may dust siya. It's not to like to think that it's dirty. No, I think I do it for everything just to be safe. Yung sa kasi Dolly. It's fabric eh. This is fabric. So I feel like walang hindi kakapit dust dito. Yun lang. Share ko lang. For snacks, letters, for the laba. Okay, for the laba. And oh wow, it's so pretty. Look at this. It's a really cute bracelet. Rose gold shell. Is it rose gold? I'm blind. I can't see properly. I mean, I can't see the colors properly, but they're so cute. I like it. It's dainty. It's very kikai. It's very me. It's very Alice too. So, snacks, letters, accessories here. And then, and you guys know me so well! Aminin nyo, CCTV ba kayo dito sa kwarto ko? How do you guys know what I'm craving? How do you guys know what I want? I love you guys. That means you're a good listener. Thank you so much, Elle, for everything. Ang dami mong bigay. Thank you po. Okay, next bag. It's a Miniso bag. Wait, parang... Okay, this one first pala. To Angela from Lala. Let's open it. Oh, I'm sorry na ano siya. Ah! Wala! Sige na. Letter! Sincerely, Lala. Alam niyo ba guys, I have a cousin whose name is Lana. This ate niya, Dana. So, ang cute lang. Lala, reminded me of my cousin. They're not close, but I wish we were. It's just that our age gap is quite big, kaya hindi ko masyadong makarelate sa isa't isa when I was younger. We used to live next door kasi. Why am I oversharing na naman? Okay. There siya. Thank you, Lala. Grabe, I'm getting goosebumps. I don't know. I'm done reading. I'm just rereading the parts that I really love. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you, Lala. Also, don't hesitate if you have something in your mind that's bothering you. You can DM me and I swear I'm gonna do my best to reply to you, Lala. Kaya mo yan. Fight lang. And I'm sure you can achieve your dreams if you just go at it. Oh, I've been trying to since I was 12. And I'm still here. So, you just keep going, okay? You don't know what life will throw at you. Ako, maraming beses napasok na ako, pero hindi ako sumuko kasi I already invested a lot there. It's too late to back out. But at the same time, I feel like I'm getting too old and nothing's really happening. But you know what? I'm glad I didn't give up because I'm here. So, Lala, don't give up. Okay? Marami ka pang time. Funny thing is, tayo lang naman nag-rush. Hindi naman, wala nang karera. Sabi nga naman, di ba? Buhay ID ka rin. So, tayo naman madali. Oh my gosh! It's a crochet animal with an A! Oh, I don't know what kind of animal. Is this a bunny? It has a ball tail, but like the ears are not long, so I'm not sure if bunny ba yan. It looks like a mouse, but then the mouse tail is not. It's just a cute bear. A cute bear in a pink hoodie with an A at the back, and I really love it. I feel like bagay ito sa bag ni Alice. What if ilagay ko sa bag ni Alice sa college? Think about it. Pero, like I said, it's crochet. I don't think I have to wash this kasi baka masira. So I'll just disinfect with Lysol or something. It's stuck to my tail. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Lala. I love your gift. Yes. Yes. Okay, back to the Miniso bag. Let's open it. It's always like, I struggle to open this Miniso bag because the red sticker never fails to ruin the bag. Ayun. Powerpuff Girls! Wait, let's see if there's a letter. It's so cute. What is this? Is it just like a purse? With anik-anik? Alam niyo ba guys, sa Powerpuff Girls, ang favorite ko si Blossom. Actually, may ranking ako dyan. Si Blossom, si Bubbles. Laging tayo si Blossom at si Bubbles. Pero dahil mahilig ako sa pink, mas nag-lean towards ako kay Blossom. And then at the same time, very childish and ako, I'm a baby! I'm a baby! So, Bubbles. And then, I actually like all of them because Buttercup is also me sometimes. Like, grouchy and just very grumpy, but I'm more of a Blossom girly because she's pink. She's pink with a red belt, and I love her so much. Thank you so much! Ang dami kong sinabi, pero I really appreciate it. You guys really know me. Kasi you could get Buttercup, you could get Bubbles, but you got Blossom? My most favorite? What's this? Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so cute. Alam niyo parang gibbets? Mukha siyang gibbets. May gibbets dito. Tapos meron pang plush dito. Tapos meron pang keychain na fluffy dito. It's just like a huge anik-anik bag. I think I'm gonna use this when I'm going out. Tapos, yung barya or something. Yung hindi ko kailangan magdala ng marami. Yung cards lang and stuff. Kasi I think my phone won't even fit here. But my coin purse would. You guys want to see my coin purse? I love my coin purse. It's from Siki Horror Pouch. I'll show you guys later. But this is the Siki Horror Pouch in Quezon. Okay, wala share ko lang. Thank you so much for this. Nurse Ja! Thank you, Nurse Ja! Saludo po kami sa mga nurse. Hirap talaga ng buhay maging nurse, promise. Pero thank you po for staying here in our country instead of kasi mahirap yan. Ang daming nurse na nag-abroad because mas mataas ang sahod doon kaysa dito. Yung may kantang ang dami na sa atin. Ngunit nakikita parang natira. To Angela from Eunice. I love you. Thank you! Thank you, Eunice. Mahilig talaga ako sa beaded bracelets kasi it's very Alice. So magagamit ko siya. Oh, I love it. May rose charms pa siya. Tapos may dangling. Tapos parang siyang sparkly. It's so cute. Alice coded. Dami ko na naman masusuot. Dami ko na naman bracelet. Thank you po, guys. Thank you, Eunice. Pero Nurse Ja, thank you po. Saludo po lang kami sa'yo. Ang daming nangyari sa utak ko. Hindi ko unahin ko. Oh my gosh, this is so cute! Angela, yan. So nice. Let's 32 minutes na to. Teka lang. 10% na lang ako. Tapos 32 minutes. Ako nagkakaroon sa biblusan ko na. But this one, it doesn't have a name. So I'm assuming this is also from at Nurse Ja. Oh, wow. Ano yung mga bag charms na chunky? May bag akong babagay. Ang dami kong, Kita niyo ba yan? Bagay siya o kahit saang bag. Naisip ko na eh. Pero thank you guys. May ko sa Anik-Anix. Ayan, ang dami ko lang isasabit. Well, parang ano na siya, Anik-Anik na may konting bag. Ang saya ko lang. Wait lang. Okay. Thank you po, Nurse Ja. Pwede ko nga rin itong gawin Anik-Anik eh. It's a bag within in a bag. It's a bag on a bag within a bag. Huh? Basta guys, gift na ako. Sabaw na talaga ako. Wala pa akong sleep. Pero, yo. Oh, I think this is my last one. Kasi akala ko gift din to. And then I realized, wait, it's my boots. Alam niyo ba, habang nag-verbal, natatakot ako. Kasi itong shoes ko, from P-Pop Days ko pa to. Pero, natatakot ako. Sabi ko, Mama Barbs, wala akong extra shoes. Akala ko, iiwan din ako, hindi ako makahataw. Nung nasa stage na ako, parang demure lang muna. Kasi, hindi ako pwede kumataw, babe. Ako, masisira yung sapatos ko. Ayun. Nag-survive siya. Hindi na naman ako iniwan sa ere. Thank you, Lord. So, I think somebody gave this to me too. Wala siyang kasamang bag. Pero, thank you. May ligaw sa chok-chok na ganito. Baka idikit ko lang sa tenga ulit. Grabe man. Uy, dami ng tulog na tao. Nagpaharurot pa ng ganyan. Ayun. I really don't like it when people do that. Why you do that, Huy? Don't do that, Huy. Okay, let's open this one. No, it has a lot of tape. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to rip it. Wait, ang daming stuff going on. Wait! Okay. I really like these earrings. And daming pins and clips. Keep shining, Muji ganda. Much love, Queenie. Queen, ano? Queen loves. Babe, I'm so sorry. I really cannot read this. Kasi magdadikit yung letters. Pero thank you so much. Thank you po. I love the clips. It is so Alice coded. So cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. There's more. Uy, bagay ito dito. Ano matchy sila. Sakto, matutuwanin ko sila bunch. Kasi ang dami kong dala ng mga clips. Ah, ang cute. Oh wow, tapos meron pang ganito where I can place the clips. Oh, diba? Thank you so much, Queenie. And that concludes the gifts for today's video. So guys, sana kayo papakita ko lang sa inyo yung ibang flowers. Keep it close so that I don't see the mess. Hi, Papa. Wait lang. Hindi, picture ko lang yung mga flowers. So, here is the Mother Mary with flowers. And then, nasa pa, this one. And then, the crochet ones, yung tinanggalan ko ng lollipop. Kasi itong isang fuzzy wire from last time. The rest of the flowers na I received, they kind of wilted away na, so I had to throw them out. You know. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next unboxing. Wait, stop the car. Okay, as I was cleaning up, I saw this and I didn't pansin it at first kasi nakataob siya. For some reason, nasa tapat ko lang siya, hindi ko napansin. Alam niyo, ang init, magbukas na ako aircon. Okay. Sorry. Ayan na. So, let's open this. Hindi ko ito yung sinasabi nilang tarp. Tarp? Or battery? Okay. This one says, Angela Muji, Robin Angeles. Rab Gel Universe to Muji from Ruthie Girl. Thank you, Ruthie Girl. Let's see. Oh my gosh, okay. Guys, I'm clothed, okay? Okay. Oh my god! No! Kumot ba to? Gagawin ko tong kumot. Ano to? Rab Gel Universe, Ruthie Girl. Ano to, Ruthie Girl? Ruthie Girl, explain. Oh my god, gagawin ko tong kumot. Why does it smell good too? It's huge. Yan ang may masabi. Ipapabillboard ko to. Ipapabillboard ko to. Okay. Dadalhin ko to sa taping. Gagawin ko tong kumot. Yun lang guys. Bye-bye. Everyone, not my usual setting, but wala pa kaming live stream. I have about an hour to burn and nahinay ako sa time. So, let's do the unboxing here, part 3. First off, this one. Walang name from. Basta Muji lang ito. Hinayin ko pala boses ko. Natutulog ko si Sarah Jo. Teka. Okay. So. And then. Oh! Lumahilap ako sa ano. Ayun, may pini sa dulo. Basta, chuchupini, tapos parang siyang wafers na ganito. Tapos reminds me of that. I haven't tried this. Try this out later. Talaga, kasi I heard na kami. I heard last time. To Robin. From, it's not mine. I'll give it to Robin. Robin's just outside the door. And donuts. From Digel official. So cute. Kanina, they were telling me, Digel. I'm like, please don't say Digel kasi it's like Dylan naman, diba? Dylan minor, it's not Dylan minor. So like, can you just say Digel? Kasi Digel, it's like you're telling me to, don't say Digel, please. But if you want to. I'm just saying, it's kind of weird. It's so cute. I don't know how, I think I'm just gonna take this. And, yep, it's thirsty. And we're gonna use this for food. Hi, Robin.
Ikaw, ito pa naman tayo picture.
Oh, picture tayo yan.
Wait lang po, sige po.
Ano ba to? Hindi ako nag-feel. Ikaw nag-film ako. Kita mo naman. Yan. Ano ba ito?
Flash.
Ah, ang galing. Wait, di ko ang gulo yan. Yes. Thank you.
Ano ah?
Ay, wait, Robin. Hello. Sorry.
Ito, wala mo
May
lang.
letter yan, be.
Mahaba ito.
Ay, Ate Angela, oh.
Ay, sige. Sorry.
Ano? Buhatin mo nga ito.
Sorry sa inyo.
Tama. Huwag ka naman.
Thank you. Dito ko na lang ilalagay. Okay lang naman pala yun. Hello. Oo naman, hindi na makakita ng daan. Hi, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog!
Ang dami pagkain.
Yes, kain tayo! Yeah, put the letters here. Okay. Yung food dito sa pati. Sineseparate ko lang para walang problema. I'm sorry. Sabi ni Cross, careful, Angela. This one's so cute. It's like made out of old book pages and it's just so aesthetic. I'm so clumsy, guys. Pagod ako, naging clumsy ako. Pull it here to hit on skin. Sayang na yun. Paano ko ibabalik to origami? Thank you, Erich. Def not Erich. Thank you, Erich, for your letter. You're so sweet. Okay, I can't put it back, so I'm just gonna hold it like this. Okay. Thank you for the flowers. I love them. Ooh. More letters. Yes. This one first, guys. It's already open. Oh, it's a picture. Suriname. Look, pinanta. Cute, guys. Look. The edit is so nice. Ay. Oh, it's postcard. Oh, nga. Hi, Sia. Her Robin on X and IG. Nice to meet you, Sia. I love you too, Sia. I'm gonna keep this. I love the postcard. I love your edit. I love this digital camera right here. And yung kanta sa tinami-rami ng mga tao. Abangan nyo next week. Baka may lumabas na music. Charot. Okay. This one is from... There's no name, but it's cute. Nabot ko sabi niya, there's a charming side the same daw kung nasa nakalagay sa bag niya. It was so cute. I'm so excited. I love it. Okay. It's so cute. Pero mabalik ko data. Look, it's so cute. Oh. There's cabochons, an A, snowflake, heart, a bunny. This is so Alice coded. I feel like I'm gonna put this in one of Alice's bags. Alam niyo ba guys, short story time. So I have my own charms like this. It's overload. Because I put them at the back of Alice's bag because it's so Alice. So Alice to do or like to have anik-anik. Tapos naiinis ako because naiwan yung bag and then nung dinala nila yung bag, lagas-lagas na siya. Like from overload na ganito. Like same na keyring. Overload yan. Overload. Like super kapal na parang dinala mo yung siya mag-shake. Ganito na lang natira. No, so like, asan na yung ibang charms? Turns out, nung tinanggal, hindi binalik. Tapos, I was so upset. Pero, this made me happy. It filled a gap in my heart. Oh, ink. But thank you so much for this. Nice with your letter. Dearest Angela. Huwag ka naman umiiyak. Papay ka. Oh. Ano nga, sarap. You're so cute. Yeah, I saw.
Nag-aaral ka na ng script, Muji?
Hindi pa, later pag-uwi.
Pag-uwi? Hindi
Mm-mm.
ka matutulog?
Hindi. Okay.
Gulo pa marami ba? Diba mo na?
Wala.
Ano ginagawa mo?
For my mini vlog.
Gulo pa, sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Rab. Okay lang.
Oo.
Talaga? Hi! Ay! Dito po! Thank you po. Ay, may po-food po sila? Wow! Buti hindi pa tayo nag-order. Malapit na matapos kayo. It's cute. Oh, yeah. I have to give that. Ay, nasa labas po si Sir Robin. Thank you po. This is so cute. I heard these are like handmade candles. Pagdating niya, she had a little baby with her. Her name is Ellie. Oh, sabi niya gawa niya daw to. It smells amazing. And look at that. There's a little succulent in the middle. How do you even do this? Ginawa niya daw to. Wow. If she has a business, you guys should check her out. Let's support local. Costas strawberry. Soy wax candle. Strawberry, a very sweet. Lift, lighting under space with sweetness. Look at this. That's so cute. I think this one's for me and then this one's for Robin. I'll get this to Robin after. And I think this one's also for me because... Oh, thank you. It's a girly stuff, yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna put the rest for Robin. I like the scent pa naman pero... Ay, gosh. Okay, Robin. Angels. She's so cute. Mini Alice. Hello po. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, Frost.
I showed that.
Yeah, I'm showing the kids. It's like a haul. I'm trying to finish it na pero I don't have to open it when I get home. Kasi I have to wake up at 3 a.m. Laguna tayo eh. Thank you, Maxine Corpus. I really love the Sanrio characters here. Kuromi, my melody. I actually have a lot of these washi tapes myself. He is so cute. Thank you so much. And I hope that I continue to inspire you in ways that uplift you and keep you going. That's why I do my job, so that I can help you. And so else I can do it.
Ano may ayos?
Thank you, Maxine Corpus. Who's that? Really? It's from Elle. You wanna go say hi to my vlog? Hi vlog. Hindi ko naman to sa dump ko lang to pinupost. It's so cute. Ay, meron ka. Ay, meron ka din. Ang ganda ng sa'yo color green. Ang cute. Game ha?
Dami ko na regalo.
Oo naman, ikaw pa.
Ang bango.
Di ba? Naamoy ko na yan. Inamoy ko din. Thank you. Oh, what's this?
Oo, kayo ngayon na. Hindi kasi buyasan.
Ay, oo. This one was given by Kat.
Ako pa lang namin.
Thank you. Good rapid. Yes po. I'm gonna take my vitamin. So worry, I take iron and also vitamin C. Alam niyo ba, when I take Berocca, sobrang neon yellow ng face ko. Wala lang, share ko lang. But it has no big girl. Hope you like it for you. I really hope you see it in well. God bless you all from me. Probably like it. Mix with free having a big baby. My baby. Thank you for Robin's Picks. PCs. And there's also a hodgepodge bottle cap accessories. OG ako fan nito. Every time may anime con or cosplay con, laging may ganito. And hindi ako nawawalan ng ganito. Laging may Harry Potter na ganito. Harry Potter inspired. Headway na. Robin Atlas. Thank you. I'm gonna keep the 50s. Plastic bags. Yes. So organized. Thank you for the PCs. I love them. I'm gonna keep them there. I'm also adapting. Solid fan ni Robin. Oh! Ito. Look, Sarah!
Oh my God.
Oh my god, it's very giving Alice and Sheen.
It's not Shein!
No, it's giving Alice and Sheen.
Ah, bakit?
Just that.
Ay, oo, akala ko, okay. I'm gonna use this again. Sa live stream. This is from Erica. Thank you, Erica. May letter. Street, her letter. Uy, ano ba to?
Ako na lemon ako pero I don't want.
Thank you, Erica. I don't say sorry. Ito lang yung gift mo. Ano ka ba? It's a really big thing for me. Thank you. Alright. Okay. So, ay, hindi pa pala meron pa. Already falling in fire. Already falling in fire. Okay, there's one last. What's that? Wow. Say hi to vlog. Hi, vlog. Hello. Yummer. Yummer. This is so cute. Actually, wala akong neck pillow, so magagamit ko rin ito for dito. So nice. Thank you. This is from... Walang pangalan. Walang letter. It's so cute. So whoever sent me this, thank you. I'm really gonna use this. Kasi laging sumasakit yung leg ko sa service. Kasi walang neck pillow yung service namin. Di ba, Frost? Walang neck pillow yung service natin. That feels good. That feels so good actually. Thank you so much. So that is it for my unboxing. Ang bilis ng unboxing ko. Usually unboxing ko mga 30 to 40 minutes. But 17 minutes pa lang. Medyo ako na ninibago ng bilis. Pero that's because it's just a mini event and I only met a handful of you guys. But even if it's shorter than usual, I still enjoyed it. Thank you Bob for staying with me while I open the gifts. You know what time it is. Ayan ba yan? So, kakauwi ko lang and nag-post lang ako. Sorry, ang kalat. Grabe nakakaya. Huwag na natin please. Sobrang malat lang ako. Oras maglinis pero please don't judge. Okay, let's start with part 4 ng Unbox the Gifts and Letters you guys sent me series. If I took everyone. Ewan ko. Sobrang sabog-sabog or lutang-lutang ko talaga guys kasi I've been getting less sleep than usual. Ako kasi grabe ako matulog. Literal lang. Haba ng intro te! Wait lang. Literal lang yung tulog ko ano yung sleep ko? Literal lang yung tulog ko laging 12 hours. 12 to 8 naman. Mga 8 hanggang 10 hours lagi tulog ko. Pero recently hindi ko nakuha yun. Mga 4 to 5, minsan 3, minsan 2, minsan 1. Paano pa ba? Minsan 0. So ayun, medyo my brain fog. Pero, basta guys, naintindihan nyo naman yun. We all have our days. So, ayan, let's start with these. Ooh, alam mo talaga ako. Ay, ito, it's a white bracelet. It's color, yellow. Ooh, it's like wood. Pero siyang wood. It's like carved out of wood. Wooden beads, tapos there's pearl beads. And I feel like this is handmade kasi the color choices. It's so nice. So I'm gonna wear it for the rest of this video. Thank you for this. It didn't come with a name. Next time, please write your names naman so I know who I'm thinking. Char. Okay, so nice. Cute. And then, this one is so nice. Pinabot to habang nag-meet and greet. Ang cute ng colors. It's giving eggplant kasi purple and green. Actually, I really like the purple and green combinations. Okay, yung crush ko dati, favorite color niya green, tapos favorite color ko pink. Tapos ako, hindi mo bagay yung favorite colors namin together, pero bagay naman yung purple. And purple is also my mom's favorite color. Ano ba, for the overshare ka naman? I'm so sorry guys, I have no self-control. But this is so pretty. Ay, perfecto. Meron akong, may nabigay sa akin ito. Wait lang. Kasi, ayan matchy. Grabe guys, yung mga gamit ko, magiging anik-anik na may konting bag na lang talaga. Ang cute kasi. Ayan purple, this pink, diba bagay? Ayan guys, you know me so well. Sometimes I get kind of scared. May camera ba kayo dito sa bahay ko? Sorry. But thank you so much for this, it's so nice. Okay. Ay, ito pala. Someone gave me this, sabi na sa dressing room kami. Her name was Charlotte. Just video siya, sabi niya, nag-graduate na siya from grade 10. I'm so proud of you, girl. You're doing so well. Ayan, small letter. I already read this, kaya I'm not gonna read it now. But I'm gonna take it out of
sabi niya nag-bake daw siya ng crinkles. Tapos, di ba si Alice, mahilig din mag-bake. Mahilig siya magluto-luto. So, tinanong ko siya, culinary arts pa kukunin mo. Sabi niya, yes, culinary arts. I'm like, oh my gosh, like real life Alice. Look, she made me this. It's so nice. It's made out of pipe cleaners or fuzzy wires. I don't know which one you'd prefer, but she made this. I'm pretty sure because it's so nice. Oh my Charlotte, you're so talented. Yes. Oh, it's nice. Ang dami ko ng ganito, guys. Alam nyo, if I gather all of the flowers you've given me, I could have a garden in my room na. Kasi you guys give me so much of these, and the color choices, they're perfect. Thank you, Charlotte. Wait, let's taste this. Taste this. Yeah, taste this natin yung crinkles na gawa ni Charlotte for us. Tadaan. Okay. Ang sarap. Favorite ko dati chocolitos. Dati, in my school, you can buy them per piece. Or, you can buy the entire chocolitos na box for 70 pesos. And sometimes, bawal ko lang nun, either 60 pesos or 100 per day. Pero kapag sobrang gusto mo ng choco crinkles, bibilhin ko yung 70 pesos sa isang container. So, kakain ko lang. All for me. And also to share sa classmates. Okay? Yeah, it reminds me of that. Good old days. It's so nostalgic eating crinkles, no? Daming ebas talaga, ate. Ano na tayo? Okay. Next, we have this pink one. Sa akin ba ito? Minsan nagkakakot mo sa akin ba? Minsan naliligaw lang eh. May melody ba to? Ang cute! I'm not sure basta saan yung character siya. This is so cute. Alam nyo guys, kailangan ko talaga ng next pillow. Thank you. This is from Cristela Marie. Thank you, Cristela Marie! Suotin natin siya habang magchichikahan tayo dito. Love nyo talaga ako. Alam na kung ano yung mga gusto ko. Okay, what's this? Jella. It's a green paper bag. Wala na naman pangalan kung kanino nang galing. Ay, naku talaga. Ay, sorry. Punit. I think it's a letter. Oh, it's a charm. This is so cute. Okay, here's a charm. Me and JT Baby. Pinost ko ni JT Baby sa account niya. Yeah, let's read this. Oh, it's printed. Ganda. Ang ganda ng layout. Sorry. Very aesthetic. Alam nyo, may napansin ako lahat kayo iisa ng sinasabi. It's always, thank you for bringing back Robin Spark or Robin Smile. Ganyan. It's just so cute, you guys. It's not just me who's giving me that energy. It's you guys. Sa kanya din, sa inyo din siya kumukuha ng lakas ng loob, guys. It's not just me. It's everyone in his life na importante sa kanya. Isa kayo dun. Thank you so much, baby ni Rab HTTP Julia on X. You're so sweet. And lalo na yung last part. Thank you for that. Sometimes, like, even I start to doubt myself. Kanina, nagpe-perform ako. Before ako mag-perform, I was so scared. Ayoko sumampa ng stage. Kasi going to San Rosario, I've read some things na I didn't want to read. Iniwasan ko naman ng gasaan. Everyone tells me that, don't read. Ako din, I don't want to read. I really don't. Pero tinatag kasi ako, just, I don't know how to block it right now. And I want to interact as much as possible na. So, syempre, sa mga supporters, sa inyo. And, hindi ko maiwas makita yun. So, nakita ko, medyo na mga hour of vlogs. That's so funny. Like, you guys are creative, I love it. Pero, yeah, I was so, distraught at first. Like, gusto ko umuwi. Then I realized na, Angela, gusto mo to. This is literally your dream. Why would you let those things get in the way of you reaching your dreams? Bakit? Hindi naman sila importante. And there's more people who love you than people who want to tear you down. It's just not fair for you to back out. And it's not fair for me to, it's not fair for me to run away from things that I should be facing. Yeah, so, I just do what feels right. Because no matter what you do, there are still people who are gonna find faults in what you do. So just do what you want to do. At least you're being honest and you're being authentic to yourself and to others. Yun lang. Cheers! Ang daming ebas, pero thank you Julia for your letter. Nakaka-boost siya. Kanina, ko na lumabas. Natakot ako. Pero pagkalabas ko, sa'yo ng puso ko. I really performed with all my heart. I was so happy. Ito pala may pangalan, hindi ko nabasa. From Cristela Marie to Angel Mundo. Oh, more! Ay, alam mo. Baboy, hindi ka na madura. Ang sarap ng Charlotte, ang sarap ng crinkles kasi parang may chocolate chunks inside. So good. Hindi kapag nila mga init na tubig, mag-reveal ng something. Mag-reveal. Ang cute ng pagkatayo ng ribbon. I almost didn't wanna untie it, but okay. I'm gonna keep this ribbon. I might use it for my hair. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Wala naman akong hot water, but yeah. Pero yeah, I'm right. I'm pretty sure I'm right. I know, nakita ko yung outline. Parang siyang chibi. Chibi ba to na may bangs? Yes, kabilang side. Chibi. It's a chibi drawing. I love it. I'm gonna put hot water in this. I don't drink coffee that much kasi I'm acidic, but I always have Milo, Valtin, ganyan. Nandito ako sa chocolate or sa... Ayun yung may cereal, Enervon. Huh? And hindi. Oh, basta. Alam niyo na yun. Okay, next. We have this bag. This is from Main Madriaga. That is so warm. So nice. Angela. This is from Main Madriaga. Yeah, I cut the camera. Sorry guys, I was panicking. Oh, it's a cute Hello Kitty. It's so... It's so cute! Thank you so much. Pwede ko siyang... Gusto ko yung mga ganito kasi lalo kapag may desk. Gagano ko lang. Oh my god, it's cute. It's a Hello Kitty with a peach bow. Is it? Yeah, it's a peach. I know it's a peach because peach dog nandito. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it's from the SM store. It's so cute. Look at it. It has peach themed colors for the letters. It's so nice. Thank you so much, Marianne. Ano ba? Yeah. Main. Thank you so much, Main. I'm so sorry. Main Madriaga. Thank you so much, Main Madriaga. Anyways, alam nyo guys, ito, hindi siya mawalan ng use sa akin kasi lagi akong nasa labas. Yes, alam nyo guys, there's this girl, her name is Mikai. I always see her in events. I know her name kasi every time na she's gonna approach us, cute niya. She's like ready to hug you, ready to kiss you, and she's just so sweet. She handed me this. It's a Dior Addict Lip Glow. Ayan. alam niyo guys, I'm a fan of makeup talaga. So I was actually freaked out that she gave me this because I've always wanted one. I mean, I just bought one for me as a gift for myself, but then she got me another one. I'm so happy. I'm just shocked. Like, thank you. I love makeup. How do you guys know me so well? I don't know, you guys amaze me so much. Thank you so much for this, Mika. You're so sweet. Love you. Okay, next we have Teresa Obrador. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is from Teresa Obrador. It's from Miniso. Let's open it. There. It's a shrimp! It's a shrimp! Vitality Cafeteria 15 cm line blush. Butterfly shrimp. I'm a butterfly shrimp. Look at that derpy face. It reminds me of when Finn, yung sa ano, Finn and, no, Adventure Time, si Finn, I'm a buff baby, I can, then like a man. This is gonna be yeah, I'm old. You guys probably don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, it's so cute. Thank you so much for this. Is there a letter? Oh, there's more. There's the strawberry keychain. And guys, anik-anik na naman. Alam niyo talaga. Alam mo, Alice to. Alice to. Dadalhin ko to for Alice. Lahat ng mga accessory na binibigay niyo na Alice coded, dinadala ko on set. Tapos binibigay ko sa stylist, ganyan. Ito po, may bago po akong accessories for Alice. Tapos sila na bahala magbigay ng kunyari, ito, for day ganito, independent, ganyan. Ito, bagay, ganyan. So, abangan niyo na lang baka makita niyo yung mga binibigay niyo sa akin on set or on Solution Date. Thank you for this. Dami ko ng flashy. They're growing. I really need to, find a way to store everything neatly. Kasi right now, sabog-sabog siya. I'm not even gonna lie. I find it so hard to organize things right now kasi wala talaga akong time. Ang daldal mo 17 minutes na. Wala ka pa sa kalahati. Okay. Ito, hindi, mas kalahati na pala ako. Okay ka naman? Oh. Yan, malapit na. Okay, this one next. Ooh, from Rosaline. Hi, Rosaline. Grabe ang effort. Oh, this is hand-cut, handmade. Ang kakatawa kasi, si Robin yung nagdikit nito dito. Ay, nagbigay sa akin ito. Dinikit niya sa akin, tapos dinikit ko dito. Kasi merong sticker dun stables. Ayan, for now, dyan siya. Okay, let's open it. Oh no! Oh no! Charot. That's very Alice of me, but honestly, nailang ako mag-oh-no feeling pa sa maartihan kayo sa akin. Pero ayun, that's just Alice naman. And I love Alice the way that she is. So I'm not judging her. I'm just conscious. Okay. Oh! Love letter. Hi, Rocky Alice. Oh! Ay! Okay, sige. Video greet ko daw si Rosalie Garcia. Birthday niya sa July 27. Jailin. Just in case makalimutan ko, gagawin ko na yung video read ngayon. Hello, Rosaline. Thank you so much for your support. And although malayo pa yung birthday mo, I just want you to know na I'm already excited for you to age one year. Charot. It's always a blessing to age, guys. Dati, isip ko, ano ba yan? It's always a blessing to, I'm sorry, I'm talking to Rosaline. Huh? You're so latangde! Okay, this is for Rosaline only. Hi, Rosaline! Thank you sa mga gifts mo. Hindi ko siya naka-open lahat. Hindi ko siya nakita lahat. I shared your letter first. You're so sweet. Thank you for taking the time to get me stuff you think I might like. Sana sa birthday mo ma-enjoy mo siya. Sana may Shanghai, spaghetti, chicken, tapos may hotdog and marshmallow on stick. Sana masarap yung handa mo, and sana you grow wiser, more beautiful, and healthier. I love you so much, Rosaline. Okay, next. Ang dami ko lang ganito. Ay, from all the flower clips you give me, guys, makakakuha ako ng bouquet. Cute niya. I love this. Wala pang color na ganito, so it's perfect. It's like a red pink. Red coral pink. Ganun. Oh, another one. A cute crown hairpin kasi naalala ko yung scene mo sa STP na naiiyak yung princess. Oh my gosh, ang cute! Okay. Matutuwa to si Alice kasi marami na naman siyang accessories. Marami na ako ibibigay ka ng Lavenge. I love it. Ayan. Tatabi ko. Ayan ko siya. I-organize the way. That way easier to clean up later. More! Grabe ka na, Alice. Okay. Spoiled ni Alice, grabe. She would definitely wear this kasi marami siyang damit na ganitong kulay. Yan. Thank you, Rosaline. Oh, patapos! Ano pa? This one, so cute. Ako, I can use this. I'm gonna use this now because lagi ako nawalan ng tali, and a tali is always useful. Okay, and there's this one. It's I think it's a mirror. Baka mirror or I think it's a mirror. Sabi na may kombe, bakit ko ba din out sarili ko? Ayan, ang cute niya. Very nostalgic. Tapos nung bata ako, lagi ako may ganito sa school bag ko. Yung may suklay, tapos mayroong mirror. Sorry, ang kalat guys, tingnan yung mirror. Ayan, ang cute. I love it. Okay, cocoa cookies, I like. I'm gonna put this in my bag kasi lagi ako nawalan ng suklay. This is gonna be very useful. Thank you so much, Rosaline, for your gift. I love it. Okay. Oh, what's this? Is it wine? I'm proud of you. Angela. Ay, doble! Oh my god, ang laki! Ay! May pangalan ko. What? Sorry, aleg na yung basa nyo, pero Angela yan. An actress born to captivate. I don't wanna eat this! I-display ko to! I-display ko na lang to! I mean, baka lang kami yung loob. Pero yung box. Angela, made from deliciously decadent ingredients and lots of love. Toblerone Swiss milk chocolate is a delight for any chocolate lover. Just like this chocolate, you are a sweet, sharp fave. You are beautifully made to stand out. I'll never stop cheering for you, Ate Luella. Ang cute talaga. It's so nice. Thank you so much, Ate Luella. I love your gift. There's a letter. Oh, ang cute. Tignan, silipin. There's a letter inside. Okay, my leg fell asleep. Okay. Aww. Bakit naman ako maumay sa pagmumukha mo? I'd love to see you again and again and again and again and again. Charot. Ang sweet! Kasing tamis nitong Toblerone. Think ang quirky. Aray! Saglit! Wait lang. Ouch. Wait lang. Don't move. Ouch. Wait lang. Sorry guys. Ako kuryente ako. Ouch. Sorry. Wait lang. Ako kuryente ni. Thank you so much, Ate Luella. I'm definitely gonna display this box because wow, it's beautiful. Thank you. Wait. Ow. Ouch. Okay, medyo nawala na. Ayos ako po. Sorry, masurahan ko kita. Wait lang. Nakakatawa no, mas pink pa yung kwarto ko kasi sa kwarto ni Alice. Eh, si Angela from Jane. Ayan guys, move na tayo 25 minutes na. Sorry, nakakip kasi. Iakad ko na. Nikana, Japan. Ay! Suimi masay! Bumi masay! Oh, what could this be? What could this be? Zane, may letter ka ba? Actually, I always double check kasi I don't wanna miss out on the letters. Just guys, put your thought and love into that. I don't wanna miss it. Is it? What is it? Ooh, fancy schmancy. Oh my! Ang ganda! Wait, there's a letter too. I love it so much. Ang cute naman ng ano. I didn't know they had hair accessories. I thought they were just jewelries. But wow, look at this. It's like a choc-choc. Maybe it comes with choc-choc. And it has jewels. Oh wow, it's so nice. Actually, I have Mikana bags too. But I didn't know they had hair accessories. Okay, wait, where's the letter? Oh, it's okay. Okay, this might be it. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's just a cap. I thought it was a letter. I'm sorry. But thank you so much for this, Zane. You're so sweet. Definitely gonna wear this as Angela and as Alice. So pretty. So pretty. Thank you. I love it. Next up, we have... Oh! Grabe, may nagbigay ng pagkain. Ano to? Adobo ata to. Sarap po. Kahit medyo namamantik na mumuna yung mantika. What if baunin ko to on set bukas? Keeping fresh. Thank you for this. Titikman ko pang inyong luto. Napakasarap. For sure, masarap yan. Okay. Ay, ito. This one is from Rabin Global. Hi, Moji. Thank you for everything. We love you. This is plastic. I'm eating later. Oh, what is it? Oh, is this pork floss? I love that. Alam niyo ako, guys. Alam niyo kung anong gusto ko. Hi. Oh, wait, ito. Uy, same siya ng paper bag. Magkasama sila. This is from Gabby. Hi, Gabby. Alam mo sabi ni Gabby. She made this. Wait, I thought it was a hat. Is it not? It's a top. Oh my. Oh, no way. And there's a 7. Is that 7? Because my birthday is 7. And it has like a crisscross sa likod. So it's like a corset. I'm definitely gonna wear this. It's very... Oh my gosh, you're so talented. Oh my god, Gabby. You actually made this? What? I love it. I'm ganda. I love it, Gabby. Thank you so much. Definitely gonna wear it this summer. I'm gonna tag you if I can find you. Oh, there's more. There's a letter. Let's read the letter first. Love you too. Okay, may PS. Oh. Oo nga, Jenny inspired nga siya. Okay, I didn't recognize it at first. Sorry, like I said, my brain's so slow right now. Oh my god, she made it for a week. No. DM ako pag susuotin mo. Ayan, meron siyang IG handle or Twitter. IG DM daw eh. Gabriel Eleanor. Thank you so much, Gabriel. I'm just speechless. She made, and it's so well made too. These buttons, I don't think they're real. I thought they were just glued. Oh my, it's so pretty. Thank you, Gabriel Eleanor. I'm definitely gonna tag you. I'm gonna wear this immediately. So next event, kailangan ko muna i-approve. Pero I could wear it. I'm already excited. I wanna wear it right now. Thank you so much, Eleanor. You're so sweet. I'm gonna keep this here, okay? Oh wait, there's more. She made this pins too. How cute. Clips, not pins. Ta-da. There's a ribbon and there's a heart. So cute. Definitely. Next event worthy. Let's see. I want to wear it. If hindi man sa next event, probably somewhere important. It's a very special outfit. Okay, next. Oh, we're down to 2 letters left. Gosh, I'm nice. Okay. Oh, wait. Orange and blue. Isn't this Ash dress? I feel like this is not for me. I'm not sure. Wala kasing name sa labas. Baka naligaw lang. But I think this is for Ash. Or let's see. If it's for Ash, don't worry. I'll just bigay. Actually, hindi ko mabigay yung ibang letters. I'm sorry. Nakalimutan ko because I was rushing. Pero, if hindi ko pa maibigay personally, I could just give some management. This management na lang give. Tama! Okay, hindi ko na babasahin because this is not for me. I'm sorry. I'm gonna put it back po. Sorry. Naligaw lang siya sa akin. I'll give it to Ash. Or bigay ko kay Mama Barbs. Our road manager. Kasi, wala akong time. How was it wrapped? Ngay. Okay. Hindi ko binasa, guys. Don't worry. It's safe. FS. Yan. I tied it back to how it was. Or I could give to Sarah kasi Sarah is always with Ash if I meet Sarah sa taping. Yes, yun na lang. Dito na lang kayo, Sarah. Kasi pag may taping, Sarah sleeps over at Ash din, so it's perfect. Kanina maganda kami, hindi ko lang alam yung pangalan. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna set this aside. Okay, so this is the last one. This one I'm sure is mine. It has my face on it and it says Muji. Okay. Ooh, wait. There's a, sticky note inside. It's cute. Wait, what's that? I'm so sorry for the typos if ever there is. It's okay, ano ba? We're not perfect. Lagi akong may typo eh. I don't really mind it. Wait, there's more. Is there a girl? Aww, it's a cute little girlie. Is that me? Wait, walang bangs. It's not me. Is this a letter? Hindi. Ginawa niya. Ang galing mo naman gawa ng... she made this herself. How sweet. Okay. Wait. This is our fit. Oh, may nahulog. Ang cute, ang daming pa freebies. Is this a moon? Or lollipop? I think it's a moon. Let's see. Wait. Hi, She Loves Rab. This is very, this is serious. I have to message you after this. Thank you for your letter, She Loves Rap. I think it's my first time encountering a letter like this. I'm really not sure what to say. I just want to say na, me too, I've been there. I'm so glad people were there too. I'm just grateful that there were people who cared for me, so I could. Wait, guys, and wait, okay. Pause. I'm gonna have to end this now. And this is our last letter na din naman, so I'm just gonna thank you guys for these gifts. I can't believe you guys love me so much. Like every time I go, lagi na lang meron. I'm really not expecting that much, but there's always a lot. You guys are so generous, and I'm sorry kung may mga naliligaw man. You guys are so thoughtful. I can't believe it, you guys. Thank you po. May nagluto, may nag-crochet, mayroong gumawa ng handcrafted na flowers. You guys are so thank you po. Again, sorry po kung may na-miss out ako, hindi ko nakita or naligaw somewhere. But I'm just very grateful. Thank you guys. I'm so concerned about She Loves Rob. I'm gonna have to end this na. I love you. Baka bukas ko na post kasi edit ko na siya. By edit, I mean if fast forward ko ng 1.8. Love you, bye. 36 minutes, 37 siya ngayon. Dami ko kasing kuda. Ano ba?